Yes, Angel?
Me can ask you something?
Yes, Angel?
Last night, me had a dream. Me dream say, me did a walk on the beach, and when me look in the water, me see one whole heap of fish. Me never see so much fish in my life before.
The fish that you see in your dream, describe them for me.
Well, the fish them, all type of fish, mommy, them big, small, medium size, over large, whole heap of fish.
Well, my granny used to tell me, say, if you dream see fish, I must breed. You a breed. Tell me something, Angel. A breed, yeah, a breed?
What do you mean by breed, mommy? Me don't know what you're talking about.
Let me tell you something, Angel. You see, if I breed, yeah, I breed, you can't stay near. Make sure you know who are the pooper.
What you say, mommy? What you just say?
You see, if I breed, yeah, I breed. Pack your things and find him yard.
But I want to that woman, yeah, man. She not here say a dream. Me say me a dream. That's why not everything good for eat, good for talk. But mommy, me not tell you the rest of the dream. Me eat all of the fish them. Me name them off. So me definitely know say I not breed me a breed because me eat off all of them fish there. So there's no way I can be breeding.
2 hours later.
I want to God, so I not breed me a breed.